In this video, I'm going to walk you through the expert picks feature of the Bourse Panel platform. The expert picks are the stocks that are given based on specific attributes. The difference between the expert picks and the model portfolio features are that the model portfolio requires an investment size that is strategically diversified in the given stocks, while in the expert picks, you just get the list of stocks based on the specific attributes without investment diversification. You can access the expert picks from the left toolbar. Here you have top 10 stocks which are the best performing. Next, you have the growth stocks that are given based on their growth potential. Then you have the undervalued stock picks. These are the stocks that are currently trading below their fair value and have the potential to grow. From the income stock picks, you can pick the stocks with huge income potential, while from the penny stocks you will get the list of the best performing penny stocks. Likewise, from the fundamental stocks, you will get the list of fundamentally strong stocks. Finally, from the technical stock picks, you will get the list of stocks with a strong technical outlook. The platform selects each stock based on its specific attributes, and it may belong to any sector. We will be adding more expert picks in the coming days. Using the expert pick feature, you can build a new stock portfolio or even enhance your existing portfolio by adding stocks with specific attributes. Generally, finding stocks with specific attributes is a very difficult task. However, using the Bourse Panel platform, you can do this with just one click. The platform provides detailed information on every stock that you can also download in PDF format. To understand more about the expert picks, let's take the example of the top 10 stocks. You can see the platform is showing the list of the top 10 stocks. The platform has scanned the entire market and picked the stocks that are top performers. In the top section, you can see the sector allocation percentage, market capitalization, and market cap diversification. In the Overview tab, you have the company name, its sector, market cap, last price, other general information, and the score of each stock in the last column. From the Health and Score tab, you can review several scores of each stock. These scores are calculated using our high-end scoring method. On the Bourse Panel platform, each scoring level is calculated based on multiple factors, and every factor has its weight that is used to calculate the final score. For example, the value score is calculated using different company financial numbers such as margin of safety, forward earnings per share, return on equity, returns on asset, and profit margin. Again, each financial number has its weight in the final score calculation. Similarly, the technical score includes several technical indicators such as Bollinger Bands, moving averages, relative strength index, and so on. In the technical score, each technical indicator has its weight that is taken to calculate the final technical score. Likewise, the total score is calculated using all individually calculated scores, and each score has its weight in the total score. From the Entry Levels tab, you can see each share with its entry levels, take profit, investment percentage, expected payoff percentage, and expected days to achieve the target. You can see some of the shares have more than one entry level. It is because the investment allocated for each stock is distributed with complete risk management, and for that, the platform may distribute the investment across more than one entry levels. While designing the portfolio, it's a possibility that the platform has selected stocks and also allocated the investment, but the entry levels are not immediately available. It happens because the stock fits the selection criteria. However, the entry levels are not ideal at that moment and will be available shortly. The Performance tab shows the performance of individual shares over a period of 1 year. From the Key Ratio tab, you can find all the key ratios for selected stocks, while the Financial tab shows all the financial information. From the second last tab, you can see what the technical indicators are telling about all the selected shares. Finally, from the last tab, you can see the support and resistance levels for each stock. The stock market presents opportunities every now and then. However, to capitalize on those opportunities, an investor requires huge efforts. The Bourse Panel Expert Pick feature makes it extremely easy to pick the stocks with specific attributes and build a high-performance stock market portfolio.